Good afternoon and welcome to the St. Clair County Daily Briefing. I'm joined today with Director Simmons. Health Department is busy working at the Fairgrounds mass vaccination site, so we'll get right into the numbers here today. For those that have been tested in St. Clair County, we're at 263,452. That's an increase since yesterday of 1,340. For positive test results, we're at 26,646. Which is an increase of 133 since yesterday, and those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 90s. That brings our daily county positivity to 9.9%. For negative test results, we're at 236,806. For deaths today, we're happy to announce that there are no new COVID-related deaths in St. Clair County, so that total remains at 425. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 25,166. For state totals, they have tested 16,555,035. Positive test results received are 1,144,281. Which is an increase of 3,062 since yesterday. Unfortunately, the state did add 60 additional deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 19,585. For hospitalization numbers, in St. Clair County, we have 84 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 5 of those patients are on ventilators. For regional hospitals, we have 138 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 6 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate care settings, and we'll announce only those with changes today, and as a reminder, that is a cumulative number, St. Paul's Home has 163 cases and 28 deaths, which is an increase of 6 cases. I'll now turn it over to Director Simmons for his update.
Thanks, Brian. We'll go into the zip code report as we continue to fight the invisible enemy here. Zip code 62201 goes up 2 to 551. 62223 goes up 5 to 579. 62204 goes up 1 to 363. 62205 goes up 1 to 605. 62206 goes up 7 to 1,221. 62208 goes up 7 to 1,484. 62220 goes up 10 to 1,894. 62221 goes up 6 to 2,554. 62226 goes up 16 to 2,937. 62232 goes up 1 to 834. 62240 goes up 1 to 148. 62243 goes up 2 to 693. 62254 goes up 3 to 750. 62255 goes up 1 to 74. 62257 goes up 1 to 322. 62258 goes up 9 to 957. 62260 goes up 7 to 737. 62269 goes up 13 to 3,008. 62282 goes up 2 to 60. And 62285 goes up 3 to 518. As Brian said, our daily county positivity rate went up to 9.9. If you remember, yesterday we were down to 5.8%, so we took a little hit there. The regional positivity, 5.9, down from the 6.0 of yesterday, and our county 7-day rolling average went up a little bit to 7.3 from the 7.0 yesterday. The other counties came in today. Bond County 3.1, Clinton County 7.1, Madison 9.0, Monroe 16.5, Randolph 2.4, St. Clair County 5.1, and Washington 8.8%. So we got to keep an eye on those numbers. And Brian, of course, the vaccine going on, but we don't want to forget testing. Testing is also important. We've got a couple of test sites, mobile test sites coming up this week. February in Duple, February the 9th from 8 to 4 at the Duple Firehouse in Duple, Illinois. It's a drive-through, so please, it's free. Take advantage of it. That's on Tuesday, February the 9th, 8 to 4. And then on Friday, February the 12th from 8 to 4 p.m. at the Caseyville Village Hall parking lot 909 South Main Street in Caseyville, Illinois. No appointments are needed. These are drive-through, so please continue to get tested.
You talk about no appointment needed there, but mass vaccination site, as you mentioned, going strong there. Going to be well over 1,000 appointments again today, but there an appointment is definitely needed.
Well, and there's been several individuals that were turned away today because they aren't the 65 or age that has to meet. So if you're not 65 years of age, please don't show up. And that all came about because of people who were forwarding that link out.
Correct. So if you are not receiving a notification directly from the health department or from one of our provider hospitals, if it's forwarded to you from a friend, from a coworker, that link is not intended for you, and there is a very strong possibility that your appointment would be canceled. The only appointments being fulfilled right now are anybody left from that 1A frontline healthcare worker, and then in the 1B category, only 65 and above. We would love to open it up to everybody in the category. However, the vaccine is still very limited, and we have to make sure that we're getting to that most vulnerable population first.
And that's what they're working on. Chairman Kern, Mila Blanker from the health department, the concern is there about the vaccine, just as it is across the country, the lack of it. Mm-hmm. So, we've got the fairground is set up, as Brian said. We're going to do over 1,000 individuals today. Did that yesterday. The transition there is working smooth. The National Guard, can't speak highly enough of them. The nurses and all the medical staff, the EMS.
And let's talk about Team St. Clair. I mean, everybody coming through has been friendly, has been accommodating, and I think a lot have been pleasantly surprised at how smooth and easy of a process it is. You get to stay in your vehicle, but you complete all the steps. You get registered, you sign consent, get your vaccine, and you're monitored, and you can do that all from within the safety and comfort of your own vehicle.
And it just makes it so smooth. And for those of you who maybe have had the opportunity to go out there, or maybe you know somebody that's above that age of 65 and has experienced that, I'm sure they will tell you that it's been pretty smooth operation. We've had comments and messages brought in here, sent here, saying that from the time they got on the lot with their 15-minute wait time, they were out of there in less than 20-25 minutes, which is good. We've got the deputies from the sheriff's department helping get the traffic in and out of there. That keeps the traffic from off the main road, and it's just really a smooth operation.
And one thing I want to mention, so for those 75 and above that were in our notification portal, you should have received your notification by now to sign up. So if you did not, there could have been a problem or a typo in the email that was put in. It could have went to your junk folder, etc. So if you're above 75 and have not got that notification, get back in there, sign up again so we make sure we get that information out to you. Those 65 and above, we're working through that group, so not all of them have been notified yet. They make notifications based on the order you signed up and the amount of vaccine that's available. So right now, they have scheduled several days in advance, and they are full.
Exactly. And for those of you who haven't signed up on our portal, either here at the EMA page or on the health department's page or on the county site, please do so. We're close to 70,000 people that have showed an interest in it, and that's the way to get on there to get notified. When the vaccine becomes available, you will be notified to go in and set your appointment. So if you know somebody who hasn't signed up, they need to do so. So we know. But right now, the big problem is getting the vaccine. And we continue to work on that every day to find out if we're going to be getting more allotments from the government. And we'd love to have unlimited supply, because the way our system is set up there, we can handle a lot more capacity.
We could do several thousand a day there if we had the vaccine available.
So that's our report today, day 330. Yes, 330. Seems just like yesterday, doesn't it? No. believe me, it's been a long 330 days, and I know Team St. Clair, each and every one of you who have been dedicated to following these briefings every day. We said from the get-go we would continue these until we get this situation under control. We're getting closer, but it's still going to be here. We've got a lot of people to get vaccinated. We've just begun that part of this fight. So please, as you heard us say the last several days, patience. It doesn't do anybody any good to get upset because we're not manufacturing the vaccine. We don't have unlimited supplies of it. We have to deal with what is given to us. And like I said, the staff at the health department, all of our medical people who are down there working out in this cold weather, we're taking as much precaution as possible, getting them portable heaters, trying to make it as easy for them. So have a little patience, especially when you come through there. And everybody has been great. I've been down there every day, and people driving by underneath the canopy, and get thumbs up, go Team St. Clair. So that makes it well worth it, believe me. We'll be back with Cindy in just a few moments to translate this into the Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 331. Everybody have a good evening.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.